From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good evening. I'm student meteorologist Jonathan Domow here with your CNET forecast. Here, a few clouds here above State College today and tonight here. As we can see, Beaver Stadium under heavy cloud cover here. And despite those clouds, it was still a relatively warm day here. 77 degrees here is about where our high is going to be at for today. So if you were outside, it might have been a little bit more gloomy with those clouds in the sky, but certainly no shortage of warm temperatures. Let's take a look at some weather headlines here. Potential for some record-breaking temperatures tomorrow for Halloween here. We'll take a look at how warm that Halloween is going to get. And rainy Halloween, we'll take a look at when the chance for rain is most likely to happen. And we'll see how that impacts your Halloween holiday. And Halloween weekend, this weekend, we will return to cool and dry temperatures. We'll take a look at what that's going to look like in a moment. All right, first let's take a look at those temperatures here. As we move through Wednesday night and into Thursday morning, those temperatures will drop down. You can see it come back up around the mid to evening hours of Thursday here, but around early evening here on Thursday here, we'll drop back down into the 60s. So not too hot, not too cold, definitely a more comfortable feel for Halloween. And that chance for rain here, we can see a lot of clouds here that are going to stay in through early Thursday here. Chance for them breaking here early Thursday morning and into mid-Thursday morning, and those clouds will continue. And we can see that rain will mostly stay north of us. However, their chance for that rain will be greatest at around early Friday morning here, just after midnight, maybe just before. As we get closer to that date and time, we will know more. But if you're going to be out, if you're expecting to be out that late, make sure you plan accordingly and maybe bring a jacket. All right, and let's take a look at what that weekend's going to look like. We can see where that rain's going to be coming from. That low pressure here is going to move just north of us in here, but by midday Friday should be up north towards Boston here, and that high pressure rather, will return here just in time for game time. And despite the red shirt that I'm wearing, go Penn State, beat Ohio State here. Should be a great conditions for the game. And let's take one last look at the fall foliage map here. Unfortunately, we are now starting to fade here in Center County, as well as much of northern Pennsylvania here. So if you're still trying to get one last look at those beautiful fall colors here, southeastern Pennsylvania is going to be your best bet here. That's where we're still seeing the best colors. But yeah, if you're in here in Center County or anywhere around here, you are starting to see that color fade. Not past peak just yet. Unfortunately here for the extreme northeastern portion of Pennsylvania, we are seeing past peak here, but still going strong here in southeastern Pennsylvania. And for tonight, a low of 50 here with some clouds, but minimal wind here. And tomorrow, 80 degrees here, potentially record-breaking. And however, it will be very windy. So while you might not need a jacket to protect yourself from the temperatures, you might need some layers to protect yourself from gusts as much as 23 miles per hour. And let's take a look here. If you're planning to go out and trick-or-treat and just celebrate Halloween here, let's take a look. We can expect those high temperatures to hit around 4 p.m. here. So keep that in mind if you're planning to do something early. And around trick-or-treating time, we'll jump down to around the low 70s here, 72 at 7 p.m. And by the time trick-or-treating is all wrapped up and done here, you can expect temperatures below 70 degrees here at around 10 p.m. And here's a look at your 7-day forecast. 80 with some late night, early morning showers on Thursday here. 67 with gusty winds on Friday. 59 and sunny on Saturday. And 58 with the chance of rain on Sunday. The chance of rain continues. 60 degrees on Monday, as well as Tuesday, 66 degrees, and back up to 72 degrees and more sun on Wednesday. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm student meteorologist Jonathan Domow. Have a great rest of your day.